Hello everyone, myself Vatsalya Bhadaurya and my teammate Pratyush Khare are here to present a project VaPr weather station that we're going to present in Cbse Science Education.
A common question will come in our mind: why should we use this weather station while other substitutes are available? The answer is simple. Our device is much more inexpensive than its counterparts and with much more functionality than its competition. Due to less cost, it is very accessible to a wide variety of people from all sections of the society.
So here comes the research, and in this project we have used multiple types of sensors, and I will explain each and every functionality of the different sensors. So first comes the DHT11 sensor. What DHT11 does is that it uh, it obtains temperature and humidity from the thermoresistor that is fitted inside it and gives the data through the data pin and sends it to the microcontroller. In this case, we have Wi-Fi module in this case for the microcontroller, and it has very less cost. And second comes the rain sensor, which works as a short circuit type of criteria in which whenever water is detected, it completes the circuit and alerts the microcontroller back in the end. Third is the Wi-Fi module, which is the brain of our system, which calculates each and every functionality of the different sensors, circuits, and wirings. Fourth is the windshield module. What it does is it has IR sensor, which calculates the time period of a rotating object and based on that estimates the wind speed in RPM and later in the meter per second or kilometer per hour. Fifth is the harmful gas detection module. What it does is detects the gas in surrounding where devices plays and alerts the user if the gas is really hazardous to go out or if the pollution is really unbearable for human criteria. Sixth is air pressure detection module. It detects the pressure in the surrounding and gives data in the mobile of the user or in the backend of the database.
So here we can see the range of such popular devices which are being sold on a e-commerce website. It goes upwards of 20,000, which is contrary to ours, which is 950 rupees only, thus making it more effective and
So here is the web design that we made in the form of flowchart to explain a layman person how our system works. So here comes the front end of our system, that is the main user, that which will utilize our project in the form of the main app. So when the user opens the app, he will choose the service. That is five types of service: temperature, humidity, pressure, rain, pollution. And when he chooses a service, the backend, that is the Wi-Fi module, communicate with the server and stabilizes connection with our app. After stabilizing connection, Wi-Fi module receives the data from the backend, that is the database, and then pushes the data to the user in the front end of the app, and then accepts the again data and prints the data and then display to the app.
here here we can see the various temperature and humidity graphs that our project has plotted for us. As we can see here, as temperature is increasing, we it plots a linear graph. Whereas there is a range between 0 to 100 centimeters, it can detect that.
So here comes the conclusion of our project. This project has cleared the objective to build a system that can monitor weather connected to the wireless system in IoT, which means this project contains no wire, no LAN network to the Wi-Fi communication, or even the data system that we have to plug in and just collect data. No, this is completely wireless. So there is that weather station that will communicate with the Wi-Fi in the form of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module that we use in this case. The value that has been recorded from sensors chart 1 and 2 and 3 that were earlier displayed in our observation has been whether particular places have different conditions from the exact condition with the accuracy of weather reporting system, and forecast system data has been compared and they were negligible, almost plus or minus 2 only. It says that the weather monitoring system is more accurate than the forecast system, which means as far as I living in a house, the nearest weather recording system, the government weather recording system is almost 4.5 kilometers, which I think almost makes a difference. And a difference in the temperature by half or 0.25 degree, or even the pressure in that area. This weather reporting system will display sensor data to ThinkSpeak, that is the backend of a database, and that ThinkSpeak sends the data to our app and save data in the form of graph in that. So
Thank
thank
you.
you, judges. This was our presentation. Hope you liked.